Hello, Nathan from LJ Hooker in Thornley. It's going to show you through 31 Riverbank Drive in Gosnells. So this one is in a nice little pocket of Gosnells, backs onto the Canning River, very quiet area. And this one is a 4x2 and it's quite spacious as well. So if we step in, we've got a lounge room to my right. So lounge dining would have been classed. We might just go into the master bedroom first up. So decent size. Carpets have got some stains here. You might want to replace the carpets. And the ensuite bathroom. Is there. You've also got a walk-in robe, which is always handy. Let's walk through to the main living area. Once again, very spacious for this price range. Big kitchen with the gas cooktop as well. It's a 5-burner gas cooktop. We'll just look through there. That would have been that meals area where you've got a built-in pantry and a fridge recess. You've also got a door that leads out to the back. Oven looks reasonably new. Got ducted evaporative cooling through this property. One of the minor bedrooms with a built-in robe. I do notice some water damage on the wall, which is very common, probably due to the seepage from the grout. Quite a good sized bathroom. The third bedroom. Built-in robe there. And fourth bedroom also with a built-in robe. Laundry. And toilet, second toilet. As we go outside, I did mention that this is one of the best locations and you've got the river behind you. Out here, it's very relaxing. I'll just pan around the backyard. So, lovely backyard. Garden shed. And if we just over this back fence, you've got the river that drops off down the bottom there, and then you've got pathways and fields and just a really magical spot. Just show you this side of the house. Down here, big gas hot water unit. You can hear the birds as I walk around, so it'd be a lovely place to sit, whether you're looking to invest, get good rent return here, or whether you want to own or occupy. You can add your own touch to the home. We're just missing a patio, which would be a nice addition. Other than that, this location, you don't get much better. So if you've got any further questions, please get in touch. We all know the market's moving extremely quickly and this property is no exception.